Eric Rogers here at the Blazers Ice Center for the Oklahoma City Blazers. Game 3 of the Oklahoma City Blazers and the Springfield Express coming up here today. Springfield tying up the series last night against Oklahoma City. Here with goaltender Ollie Nielsen. Ollie, big game coming up. What do you expect for Oklahoma City here in this do-or-die game?
We're expecting hard play from everyone on our team, and we're also expecting hard play from Springfield today. But I think we're going to win today. We got a more skilled team than Springfield, and it's going to be a hard battle today from our side.
And still time for fans to get down here to the Blazers Ice Center. What does fan participation help with you guys with?
It helps with motivation that the fans are here cheering for us. It's a lot different from Europe, as our team is mostly Europe's, and we're not used to playing in front of fans. It's more of the pro games, but it helps a lot with the fans, and when they're cheering, it's a great experience to play.
So you heard it right here, Blazers fans. Fan participation always helps with the team. Still time to get down here to the Blazers Ice Center. Game time starts at 5 o'clock. Game 3, do or die, right here